Hey, it's your girl, Fhonda Hatmaker.
And Randy Hatmaker with Hatmaker Homes, brokered by eXp Realty.
Today we're going to show you 1286 Norton Road, Manchester, Tennessee.
This property sits on over 1.5 acres in the county, no city taxes, no HOA.
This is one-level living at its finest. There are no stairs or steps from the garage to the front porch to the back patio. No steps, no stairs, so it's perfect, like a retirement home or people that don't want to climb steps.
This is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a bonus room.
It's a beautiful split bedroom design, so you have the privacy as the homeowner and then the guest or the children on the other side. This home is conveniently located just minutes off of I-24, exit 105. Very convenient to Murfreesboro, also very convenient to Manchester.
This property has very flat, usable land with a huge 2-car garage, an extra building. The added space, you have plenty of room for a building or a pool.
This 3-year-old home has been gently loved. It's got beautiful, expressive colors. And what I love about the home is that you have a formal dining room, but you also have a breakfast nook, and there's plenty of seating along the raised counter in the kitchen. I love that it is made for entertaining. It is made for the family life with the tile floors, but you get the cozy carpets in the bedroom. The kitchen is a huge kitchen. It's got stainless steel appliances, the refrigerator, stove, microwave, dishwasher, all conveyed with the property. Plus, you have a huge laundry room, has a wet sink, and custom cabinetry that matches the kitchen. The washer and dryer also conveys.
Another unique feature of this home is it features a great bonus room right off the garage. Would make an excellent man cave or even a gaming room.
To view the home, give your agent a call or give us a call. We can give you a private tour. My number's 931-409-2628 or the office 888-519-5113 extension 275.
We are Hatmaker Homes, brokered by eXp Realty.
And we're selling real estate one free ship at a time.